Presenting the 2015 Jeep Compass. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 20,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include alloy rims, roof rails, heated outside mirrors, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, privacy glass. Inside you'll find leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side airbags, low tire pressure warning, child safety locks. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.